Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today in this video I'm going to be running through the new Elgato HD60 software. It's available now at elgato.com/downloads. You can pick it up completely free, and once you've installed it you should get this new and updated look to the original Elgato software. It should overwrite the old one and replace it with the new one. That's what mine did. So first of all, the layout on the sides here is all the same with all the dials, just more of a fresh updated look, I guess you could say. So the dials are a bit more futuristic looking, you know, the volume bar. Also they've added instead of a scroll bar, they've actually added the wheel to the streaming part or streaming side of things. So here you can set your bitrate, as you can see there. The highest you can go to is 8 for 1080p, but when I run mine it does say I cannot stream in 1080p. It says my computer's too slow apparently, but not quite sure why. But I'll get into that in a little bit. Also down here you have the blue wheel for your microphone, so you can choose from the drop down menu which microphone you want. So that's all basically the same as the original one. Apart from the only difference here is to enable your microphone, down here you've got your little blue button here, so everything's color coordinated. So the blue button here, if you click on that, it will glow blue, so that means the audio is coming through, as you can see on my microphone as I talk. But we'll click that off. Also to the left we have the green streaming button, which allows you, as simply as it says, to stream once you set your bitrate and your channel, which my Twitch one is. Also here we have a little timer to let you know how long you've been recording or your playback has been going on for. And these two buttons here, you've got a take a photo snapshot and a mute and unmute button. So if you wanted to listen back to your game audio, just in case it's not right or too loud or something. And then moving on to the left, right here we have the move back in time. I can't quite think of the actual technical term or whatever they call it. It's basically the playback, so you can go back in time. As you can see, the picture is moving backwards. But yeah, you can also click the live button. So say if I'm there, click live, and it will go straight back to real time. You have pause, forwards, and rewinds, and right on the left hand side you have the record button. So as simple as it sounds, you click to record and click to stop. So new features we've got is this little menu here. This allows you to add your webcams and overlays. So at the moment I've got an overlay and my webcam set up, but so I'll show you this one. It tells you I'm offline, or say if I just need to go away for a few minutes, I can click that and it will say I'm offline and maybe play some music or something. Also we have the whoops, sorry, I just hit the microphone. We have this one that's got my webcam. You can see it's just facing up, and my overlay that I've got. But yeah, that's that. You can click on and off to enable it. So that's that. to add a webcam or picture, you can click here where it says edit scene. Click that, and these will be enabled to add a webcam, or click this button here to add a picture, which is as easy as that. So yeah, moving on into the settings themselves. At the top we have here the capture tab and the edit tab, which they're basically the same as the original. Nothing's really changed there. So yeah, in here we have the settings. So you have the original where you can save your videos to. That's not changed. The only things that's changed in the menu here are these options here to tick these different things. So you can add or enable this streaming. The streaming thing means so if I click OK, it will remove that, so you don't need, if you don't want to use it, but I just keep it on because I like it. So yeah, next tab we've got so you can save your videos to, so YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, everything like that, original or MP4 or the 1080p. Here you have the same option, so you can change it to original or 1080p. Last tab here, we can just check for updates, so I would recommend to keep this ticked because you want to know when a new update comes in for bug fixes and etc. Next settings you have here where it tells you, as you can see, I've got enabled at the moment the 1080p 60 FPS. I've just had a problem. The software has crashed. Yes, you are bound to get that occasionally with the software. It is new. Don't forget. So things are going to crash and bug out, but when it loads up again, as you can see, yep, if you click this, it should pop up and tell you what you're running your input and output in. I'm running both input and output in 1080p 60 frames per second. So moving on to the settings, for this you click this gear icon here, and it will bring up basically the same settings that your original Elgato did. So you've got your what console you want to stream from. I've got mine set on other because I've got mine hooked up through HD60 splitters and everything, so I have to set mine to other, and it stays on HDMI for me, but choose whichever one you're on. Here you have the same option of here, keeping it on standard. Here we've got what you're going to be recording in, so mine's set on 1080p, you can set it 720p standard. But yeah, the only difference here is this new button here that allows you to get 60 frames per second. So just tick this box and it will allow 60 frames per second. Here the same dial for the resolution. Mine's set to the highest. These are the same buttons, nothing's changed there. Same for this, nothing's changed. Don't think anything's changed for profiles. And yeah, that's about it really. Everything else is virtually the same. But also, yeah, you have your reset to default down there. And I think that's about it really. Down here at the bottom, I did miss, you have your tags when you do live stream, but that's the same. You can add a game title, add your tags for your game. But yeah, that's basically all the same really. So that's been my rundown and first look at the Elgato 2.0 software. So I do hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. let me know in the comments below if you're going to pick up an Elgato HD60, and yeah, let me know on your thoughts on the software. So yeah, I will update you when more updates come out. So I do hope you enjoyed the video, so please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you.